Admiral Jose Maria Ambrosio Espeleta, to Secretary Kiko Ocayo Ocayo Francisco. Pero mas kilala siya sa Tropa Kiko. Francisco Ritio Laurel Jr., our Secretary of Agriculture, at isa sa may pagmamalaki nating Pilipino sa mundo bilang isang matino, maayos at successful na negosyante sa ating lungsod ay sa ating bansa. At masipag, mapagmahal naman, bagamat yung kanyang tagumpay ay sakripisyo niya para sa kanyang sarili at sa kanyang hanap buhay. Minabuti naman niyang lumingon sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino at sa ating bansa na nagbigay din ng pagkakataon sa kanyang umunlad. Kaya minabuti niyang maglingkod sa ating bayan. Again, palapakan natin Secretary Francisco Major General Edwin Amadar, Rear Admiral Alan Abier, Commodore Salvador Henry Quinto, Commodore Diosdado G. Caluya, Commodore Edwin M. Nera, Captain Oliver B. Reforma, ito mayores natin. Mayores natin. May mayor ng Manila, may mayor ng Navy. HPN, HSG awardees and stakeholders, to uniform and non-uniform members of the Philippine Navy. Kumusta kayo dyan sa Kodri? Hi! Sa ating pang mga bisita at aking kapwa kawani sa pamahalang lungsod. Magandang tanghali po, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Una, it's my first time inside the headquarters. May dolan is doon ako sa gilid. Pagka napunta ako sa lugar nyo rito, dyan lang ako sa Army Navy Club. But I know first time beyond the walls of this headquarters. In fact, madalas ho kami dyan sa labas. Yung binigyan ninyo ng award kanina, si Kenneth Amurao. Pagkayari namin niya sa labas, sa tabing dagat naman, para linisin lagi ang basura sa paligid ng Philippine Navy. I hope bumabalik na muli ang pagiging maaliwalas ng ating lungsod. That's why, with all honesty, I am really grateful to the Philippine Navy. Me being here today as your guest of honor. Bihira to. Totoo po yung napanggit na natin tagapagpakilala. Ako po 27 years na halos in public service. Para ako si Kiko, dito na naubos ang buho ko sa gobyerno. But no regrets. I'm always happy and I continue to enjoy despite of physical challenges of being an officer of the day, 365 days of the city government of Manila. Now, this city and this area where we celebrating our anniversary is a famous area, especially during World War. In this 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, a lot of brave people died defending of what we young ones enjoy today from our forefathers. Marami, manupot, umabot pa sa panahon ng Kastila, Young Manila Bay, where the frontage there in Bataan and Corino Lahat niyan, pagpasok ng barko dyan, sa lungsod ng Maynila yan dadako. Dito yan aatraka. Kaya talagang makasaysayan for whatever it is worth, that Philippine Navy must continue to stay its headquarters here in the city of Manila. Yes, we can reinforce and strengthen our capabilities and building facilities somewhere else. But the symbol, the North Star of the entire Philippine Navy should be here in the capital of the country. Kaya naman, your mayor, my own little mayor, pumanatag kayo, walang gagambala sa inyong syudad ng Maynila dito. In fact, it's the other way around. You will have the support of our limited resources as a city government. You will continue to enjoy it in our own little way. I hope someday, somehow, no change of heart, the next leaders of our country, of our city, na kayo'y alisin dito. Sapagkat masaya kami. At lalo na ako, bilang batang Maynila, 10 ng 1,000,000 at 1.9 million Manileños in the city. We feel safe because of the existence and presence of the Philippine Navy headquarters here in the city of Manila. Kung pumasok na yung barko dyan, kakalawitin kagad lahat ng Navy yan. Ayan ang magtatanggol sa amin. And we are really proud of you, not only as Manilans, but as Filipino. We need you. We need you to continue to protect our sovereignty, that 7,000 plus islands of the country. We need you to protect us in harm or in any matter for that matter, no? Kailangan namin kayo. Kaya sa ating mga enlisted personnel, mahalaga kayo sa amin. O sa ating mga opisyal, mahalaga kayo sa amin. Maaari lang hindi kayo masyadong napapansin. Bakit? Lagi kayong nasa laot eh. Pero sa totoo, napakalaking halaga ng inyong partisipasyon kung saan kami na namanganganak sa lupa ay makakamuhay ng panatag sa bawat sulok, isla ng bansang ito. Kaya, today is your anniversary. I can speak on behalf of the people of Manila, but I now speak as Filipino, and I can only speak for myself. Thank you, Philippine Navy. Thank you very much, Navy. Thank you for your bravery. Thank you for those challenging times. Some may not recognize it because they don't know it, but I, for one, I know it. And I feel protected, I feel secure as a Filipino, being and having a Philippine Navy on our side. So good luck to the men and women. And I hope someday, somehow, huwag naman loobin ng Diyos, but in advance, I pray for your safety, that God will continue to guide and bless each and every one of you kapag kayo ay umalis na sa pantalan, sa panahon ng pagtupad ninyo sa inyong tungkulin. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Congratulations, Philippine Navy. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon. Manila, God first. Thank you.